pink right now.
Look at that sunset. Final night. Hard to say goodbye, but I'll be back. Some of the rest of the mountain bike trails. Brothers. Not the Staten Island brothers. This place is awesome. The final unfortunate night. But I'll be back in the summertime, hopefully. Ride some insane mountain bike trails. But yeah, stay tuned. How you doing? Oh yeah. Peak Colorado, Fort Collins shit. Pretty awesome if you ask me. I'd say keep this shit up all year round. Why not? It looks fucking awesome.
Yeah, not tax check, just dividend.
This restaurant looks pretty cool. See?
We're tripling, you realize we're tripling the production.
More lights. I'm all for Christmas lights being up all year round if it's like this. One nice old school color. It's not bright ass, white ass LED lights blinding you. Just classicness.
Right, I just wanted
Fucking beautiful. This one. All the zones out here. Thank God I didn't smoke a joint. There's like a sign, no smoking. Some more Christmas decoration. They should just leave out all year. This fucker looks pretty cool. Give them a tax break on electricity. Santa Fe Transfer. The outdoor water hole.